Hey guys, this is Carl Cogswell, and here comes another day's vlog. So, this one might be short, who knows. Anyway, my friend Justin is going to attempt to drive a tractor up 2 ramps to get it on top of some pallets. He hasn't told me why yet, but it should be interesting to see what happens. So this is his contraption. He plans on driving up this ramp onto the pallets. He's already sprayed it with some stuff to get rid of any potential wasps and all, but we'll see what happens. That's Justin making some noise. Watch your tires. How far up are you going? What, the rain? We'll see if the pallets can hold the weight. Okay.
Let's see how this shit goes. I like that one, huh?
Uh-huh.
It's probably clearing out air.
Probably.
Well, apparently he wasn't going to get up all the way on the pallets, but this is definitely not how you clean.